Hello, um, this is my peach tree in the backyard of my home, and it gave almost 16 peaches in the first year. So it's more than 3 years, and I'm going to make a graft of this tree from this branch. I choose this branch because you can see that leaves are here and then there is no leaves. So for grafting I need this plastic bottle, water bottle. I will cut from here to here in the center. I will show you later on, and but right now I have to use this knife and make at least from one. So I will use this one. I will make a circular cut on this one to remove the bark. We have to remove the bark actually. So from here to here and here to here bottom, and then slowly we have to cut this bark. So you can see it's very easily it's coming out. You can come closer and then show them. And then there is some green color and then the white color. Okay, so very easily you have to peel. I have to peel this bark first. You can see it's coming out, and here we can see this green color and this is the white color. So I have to remove all this green color. So make a round shape all the way to other side also. Very gently you have to remove the bark only. And last this side. So you can see this and here there are some green color and then white color, so I have to remove all the green color. Okay, and then we have to cut the bottle up to here from top to bottom so that we can place inside, and then we'll fill this with soil and dirt and leave it for a long time. Keep giving the water every time. Okay, so we'll use this scissor first to cut this bottle. It's a little hard. Now it's cutting. And the same way I have to make a hole at the bottom. Maybe I will heat this and warm, it will be easy. And then make a same hole in this cap also, but I have to cut from the side first, easy, and then we have to make a hole. Okay, I'll come back by heating this one and then make this kind of hole here and here more. That's it. Okay, so you can see I cut this bottle and make a big hole here, and in the cap also from side, and then make a big hole. So in this you can come closer. So we will wrap this branch around this like this, and then use this string to hold, otherwise it will be loose, and I may have to place one more at the bottom, otherwise it will start slipping. One thing is here, and another one would be at least 2-3 inches up will be good. Maybe we can cut like this. Okay, and then we have to fill this all with this dirt like this. So you can see here I put a tape all around and fill this soil, and the cut area is covered, and I will add some water inside. Leave it for at least 5-6 months. We'll see how much time it will take, and then once it will grow all the roots, we can cut it from here and plant it in a new one. And then I will cover this lid also. So this is my first grafting on the peach tree, and I hope it will work.